Not all lawyers are the same. Hi, my name is Bill Price, personal injury lawyer. There is a process that we apply, that we have developed, each lawyer is differently, that brings value to a case. So a lot of times we will turn cases down because that process, that value will not equate into dollars or objectives for clients. So in my previous video, I talked about objectives and adding value to the case, and that's what lawyers are to do. So I want to talk to you about that value proposition, because lawyers, I'm going to tell you up front, are a necessary evil. In order to get you more than what the adjuster's offering per month, it might be $500, it may be $1,000 in pain and suffering for a month, maybe two. A lot of times, they may not give you more than that, depending on the injury. Our process is to take advantage of various factors in the evaluation process and add value to them, to give more information. For example, I'm a big believer on framing the issues immediately up front with the adjuster so they understand how significantly injured you are. And that is a value proposition. That is part of our process. So covering this, not all lawyers do that. That's why you got to get into the nitty gritty and you ask clients, or clients should be asking lawyers, why am I hiring this guy? Is he really, or this gal, is he or she really going to add that value to the case? And it matters whether it's a $3,000 soft tissue injury or it's a $3 million paralysis case. Is their process, is their procedures, is what they're doing going to increase the value that I'm going to get in the end? Or is it just, they're just taking it like everybody else's case and just kind of milling it through? So you need to ask those questions. What makes you different, or what makes you special when handling these cases? And if they can tell you that, that will go a lot farther than just saying, quote unquote, I hired a lawyer. That means you've hired the right lawyer. If you have questions like these, reach out to the number below.